Courtney. I work at the Evanston Public Library. Today I'm going to show you a short video about how to build a marble track, a key building block for your marble run. So as you can see, we start with just a regular box, and then we are going to open it up, cut off the ends so we have one long piece to work with. Now I have one long piece of cardboard, and I'm going to take my ruler and my scissors, and I'm going to just draw out the lines that I want to cut. So now I have three pieces that are roughly the same size, and it is now time for us to glue them together to make our track. And so I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue these corners together here, and I'm going to glue it together here. Now you see we have a run that our marbles can roll down. This can connect to a lot of different pieces. It can go up and connect to a down piece. It can connect to curves, but it's one of your basic building blocks for your marble run. I have another set of strips here that are the same size that I'm going to work to attach up here. So I'm going to create another run, and I'm going to make it come in at an angle here. So to attach these two pieces that I created together, I'm going to create an angle on the bottom and then an opposing angle on the top piece, and then glue those sides together. Now I want this top piece to be angled in an opposing way so that I can glue it right here. You can see my finished project is a run here and a run here, and I can shoot my marbles on it and they'll flow on. Thanks for following along today. I hope you have fun building.